2i, meaning the real number needs to come first and the imaginary number comes second. Okay, that's what standard form means. That's just the way that you write it to put it in the correct form. So this one, it looks a little crazy at first, but we already know all the ways to break it down. Okay, first one is square root of negative 9 plus square root of negative 4 minus the square root of 16. Right, so these are adding together 3 different things. So we need to break down each of these. Then we're going to simplify them further. Make them, squish them together is what I call it. Right, square root of negative 9. Some of these you might be able to tell what they are without really breaking it down. Okay, first of all, if it has a negative underneath, what's it going to have? An I, right? And what's 9? All right, 3 and 3, right? So this would be 3i. Okay, maybe you can tell what square root of negative 4 is. All right, 2i, right? It's 2i because you already know that's a square number. 2 times 2 is 4, right? And then minus square root of 16, all right, 4, right? If we broke it down, it's 4 times 4, so minus 4. Okay, 3i plus 2i minus 4. This is Mrs. Carr. Hi. I do. Sure. Thank you. Martin, you have early dismissal, okay? So you need to go on and finish this video after school today, okay?
Teachers, please make sure that you send all students that have a pink pass to H215. Thank you.
Is that any of y'all? Do any of y'all have a pink pass? I think it's for Star Prep or something. I don't think most of us would have it, but maybe someone does. All right, Martin. We'll miss you.
Merry Christmas.
Bye. Merry Christmas. Are you not coming back? Okay. Okay. I was like, all right. Woo. All right. Bye. All right. So we had 3i plus 2i minus 4. What do you want to do there? Combine, right? Combine your like terms. 3i plus 2i is 5i. Okay? And now, standard form says that the real number that doesn't have an I needs to come first. Okay? So this negative 4, normally you kind of just want to bring it down. But since it needs to be in standard form, we need to put it out front. Okay? So it'll be negative 4 plus 5i. Real number first, imaginary number second. Okay, computer, stop telling me stuff. Okay. Make sense? I think you can handle this on your own. I think you can. All right, I'm not going to give you anything that I don't think you can do. Okay, 6 is going to be square root of negative 16 plus square root of 8 plus square root of negative 36. Okay, you're going to break each one down. Right, remember, pairs go outside, leftovers go inside. Right, and then combine your like terms when you're done. Oh my gosh, why are so many ads? What's the square root of 16? 4. 4, right? 4i. Exactly. And the square root of 8 is really something some people. Everybody, every class. We're having trouble. Alright? Let's look at it. Okay, I know square root of negative 16 is 4i, right? 8 is 2 times 4, 2 times 2. So we've got a pair of 2's and a leftover 2. Right, so 8 will be 2 outside and a 2 inside. All right, what's the square root of negative 36? 6i. Okay, so we got 4i plus 6i plus 2 radical 2. Right, the 2 radical 2 needs to come first because it's the real number. And what's 4i plus 6i? 10i. Okay, that was a little stumper. All right, that 8. Because 8 feels like it should be a square number, right? Because it's got 4's in there and 2's, but it's not a square number. Right? If you do square root of 8 in your calculator, you get 2 point something. Right? 2 point, I don't even know. Decimals. Okay, so here's our answer. 2.828. All right, Stephanie, I can't believe you knew that off the top of your head. You're so smart. I'm just kidding. All right, I was being nice. You are smart. You are smart, but I was just joking about it.
I wish I was that smart.
If you were that smart, you would be in college right now, right? You wouldn't be wasting away in my class. No offense to my class because it's great, but you know what I mean. All right, you'd be like one of those. You'd be like Doogie Howser. Do you know who that is?